Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Coinbase Wallet to SocialGood. Now the first thing I want you to go ahead and do is open up your SocialGood app and then click here on this account option at the bottom right of your screen. And then once you click on this, okay, I want you to come here and click on this premium membership status at the top of your screen, and then it will go ahead and show you this similar screen. Now I want you to come down here and click on activate membership button. Okay, tap on this, and then I want you to come here and tap on connect my wallet option. Okay, and then I just want you to choose Coinbase Wallet, and then it's basically going to open up your Coinbase Wallet. You just have to go ahead and enter your password and then click on unlock. Okay, now what I want you to do once this page unlocks, I want you to come here and just go ahead and click on connect wallet address option. Okay, from here, once it's connected, come here and click on this sign message option, and then it's going to go ahead and show you this window. I want you to come here the bottom right and click on this sign option, and after that just go ahead and click on submit to submit your wallet information to the SocialGood app. Okay, and there you go. As you can see, you will get this that you have successfully connected. You can just go back and you'll see that you have successfully connected your wallet to the SocialGood app with Coinbase. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.